Good morning everyone. In my previous video, I introduced myself. So in this second video, I will discuss a safety briefing I stated in the title of my segment. In this video, I will share my experience delivering a safety briefing during the Hot Gas Infection Plus project at PLTJU Unit 13 Tambak Loro, Semarang. At that time, I was assigned to work on a piece of equipment called a generator. In simple terms, a generator is a major component in a power plant that foundation and that function to produce electricity through electromagnetic induction. During the safety briefing, the point I presented included: number 1, work sequence and personnel segment; number 2, daily work target; number 3, measuring instrument used; number 4, personal protective equipment or PPE required, and hazard present in the work area, and method to mitigate those hazards. Let's start with the first point, the work sequence and personnel segment. The work sequence included dismantling the generator casing on the JA and TA set, dismantling the upper bracket on the JA and TA set, insulation resistance testing of the stator and rotor, winding resistance testing of the stator and rotor, dismantling the bearing casing, dismantling the upper bearing, taking clearance data for the upper and lower bearing. For personnel segment, typically 2 to 3 people are sufficient for one piece of equipment. 3 4 if several tasks are performed simultaneously on the generator. Only around 10 people are needed. The target for that day was to complete the bearing clearance measurement. The measuring instrument used included inside and outside diameter gauge, filler gauge, measure, penguat tester, acumeter, limiter, and lead wire. The personal protective equipment required included safety helmet, safety shoes, gloves, safety glasses, coverall, and mask. The hazard present in the work area included pin hazard from component movement during load maneuvering, slip hazard due to oil residue on the floor, electrical shock hazard during stator and rotor testing, failing object hazard during bracket lifting activities. And finally, the method to mitigate the hazard. We must wear PPE according to the job risk. Place boundary line around the work area, ensure the main power source is off and properly located out or taken out due to clean oil spill in the work area, and follow work procedure according to the SOP. Do not forget to always remind our coworker about maintaining their health and safety, and to remind them if they overlook any critical OHS practices. Before starting any work, it is best to begin with a prayer and lastly perform a team can to boost morale. This is all I can share. I apologize for any mistakes in my work. That's all for watching, and see you again.